The top 5 best milkshake maker recommendation. Let's get started. Recommendation number 1. Hamilton Beach 730C DRINKMASTER Classic Drink Mixer. Retro Drink Mixer. Soda fountain style drink mixer makes perfect milkshakes, malted milks, soda fountain drinks, and health drinks. 28-ounce mixing cup. Drink blender comes with a 28-ounce mixing cup to give you plenty of room to create a delicious treat. 2 speeds. This milkshake maker has 2 speeds to let you blend and mix to create the perfect texture. Easy to access and clean. Drink mixer has a tilt-back head that allows easy access for adding ingredients and cleaning. Easy to clean detachable spindle is dishwasher safe. Recommendation number 2. Hamilton Beach 727B Classic DRINKMASTER Drink Mixer. Retro, drugstore soda fountain style with 70-watt motor. Ideal for milkshakes, malted milks, fruit smoothies, and health drinks. Professional style. Stainless steel cup holds 28 ounces. Tilting head for easy access. 2 speeds. Spindle detaches for easy cleaning. Measures 14 1/2 by 5 1/4 by 6 3/4 inch. 2-year warranty. Retro, drugstore soda fountain style with 70-watt motor. Ideal for milkshakes, malted milks, fruit smoothies, and health drinks. Recommendation number 3. Brentwood Classic Milkshake Maker. The powerful 100-watt Brentwood SM1200B 15 Oz. Classic milkshake maker to mix deliciously thick milkshakes, malts, smoothies, protein drinks, cocktails, and more. Use low and high speeds to achieve the perfect texture. The spindle is made from highly durable food-grade stainless steel. Easily place and remove the included 15-ounce stainless steel mixing cup with the unit's adjustable height. The tumbler safely locks into place, avoiding spills, and the unit stays secure in place with rubberized feet. Recommendation number 4. Hamilton Beach Pro Retro Die-Cast Mixer for Milkshakes. Retro drugstore soda fountain style milkshake mixer. Also makes the perfect malted milks, soda and fruit drinks, or protein shakes. Extra large 28 Oz. Stainless steel cup. Mix perfect shakes, soda and fruit drinks, fluffy omelets, pancake or waffle batter, ice cream sodas, and more. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Tilt-back head and detaching spindle makes this easy to clean and easy to access. Built to last. Made of durable die-cast aluminum with a 2-speed motor and commercial-grade mixing spindle. Beautiful on your countertop. Recommendation number 5. WANTJOIN Commercial Milkshake Maker. Brand new commercial milkshake maker now upgraded with 2 milkshake mixer cups offering wide capacity. Vivid measurement lines on the cups are helpful and make it easy to customize the needed volume accurately in no time. The milkshake machine is motor-driven by 1800 RPM, making the blending procedure as fast as possible. The black, fresh-colored stainless steel blades are sturdy and unique in design, offering the most stylish milkshake mixer for long-lasting use. Process control of commercial milkshake maker is perfectly balanced with dual-speed controls. Stirring options are upgraded with high and slow-speed alternatives.